everybody, long time no see, welcome to the Minimalist. Today I have had the sudden urge to make a video because I haven't actually sat down and made a video in a really long time. Probably even before Japan, or maybe like if my Q&A counts as Japan, but that was inside of a storage house, so not really. Here I am in my new room. It's a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. Yes, so tomorrow I have end of year maths and end of year chemistry in my gigantic sports hall with a ton of extremely scary invigilators. So I'm doing the entirety of the maths curriculum in the next how many hours there are left today. It's 5 PM already, here we go. I'm just chilling on Hegarty Maths. If any of you use Hegarty Maths. Yes, Mr. Hegarty is my G. I'm sorry, I'm really tired. Had my English exam today. I'm usually really good at English, but man, that was pretty difficult. At least they aren't my real GCSEs. How can I? There we go. Hello. Today, I want to just make a little video about what minimalism is, because weirdly enough, as the minimalist, really think that the people watching this like minimalism, but apparently not. Not many people know what minimalism is, unsurprisingly. So, today I'm just gonna sort of like express my opinion about it. You guys can agree or disagree. Good times. I'm in a state of chaotic neutral right now because I have so much to do, but I really want to make a video. I could literally just wait until Thursday and this would all be over, but no. I'm doing this now. Just give me a second while I get some Hegarty Maths numbers up so I can kind of do maths at the same time as speaking to you guys. Sorry, this probably isn't what you guys clicked on for, but I promise I'm pretty good at minimalism, not maths though. Just give me a sec. I should really be wearing my glasses for this, but I don't really want you guys to see me with glasses on because I'll look even more of a train wreck than I do right now. So, I have begun my Hegarty Maths quiz. Let's begin the actual video. Minimalism has like a lot of meanings. You can't really just give it a definition like in a dictionary. Like you probably can, but minimalism is quite a personal thing, so it's different for everybody. One of the shortest ways that I think explaining minimalism is having the least stuff possible whilst still feeling happy. So there's a point where you can get rid of all of your things, and then it will reach a point where it will get too much, and then it will just start to deteriorate and you won't feel happy with how little things you have. And often after that, people will then start buying more things again and the whole cycle will start again. Not a good idea, guys. Little notice, Friday is another Fridays for Future March, and I'm going to Liverpool with some of my friends. Check it out, 21st of June, I'm going to be in Liverpool. If you guys can make it, come and say hi. Tell me that you're in Liverpool and we can have a chat, because that would actually be amazing. If any of you happen to be in Liverpool, because I have actually had people comment and say that they recognize the places I video, which is crazy. There are real life people watching my videos. I'm still getting used to YouTube, as you can tell. How can I describe minimalism? It's a really difficult thing to try and like put into words, because it's something that I kind of just do. Like now it's sort of like built into my routine. Minimalism is like, it's the act of decluttering things, but like not just chucking things out because you don't want it. There's like a meaning to decluttering. So it's basically like a more emotional level of getting rid of things. So it's basically a name for getting rid of a ton of stuff, which is basically something that everyone needs to do, and they've just gone ahead and made it a process, which is a really good thing, because now that it's getting like more fame, especially because of Marie Kondo, yay! There are so many people who have watched Marie Kondo's Netflix series. She's like a whole meme now, and I love it. So hopefully that will bring some light. No, that's not how it goes. It will shine a light on minimalism. Like, hopefully people will go from just using the KonMari method to minimalism, and that will be amazing. I really should have written some stuff down before making this spontaneous video. The thing is, minimalism is not my room, guys. People are like, I could never do this, and I'm like, of course you can. You can, of course. But do you think I managed to just go, it's all tidy? No, of course not. It took me about 2 years, a year? Yeah, because I started minimalism at 12, right? And I decluttered about a year, finished decluttering about a year ago. So yeah, it took me about a year or more, probably more, to get to this stage, which I am now. Also, can you hear the echo in this room? There's some mega echo going on right now. So yes, to all the people saying that they cannot achieve this amazing level of minimalism I have achieved, yes you can. You totally can, guys. It just takes a really, really, really long time and a lot of effort. But I would say that the hardest part is probably like the start, because you're like, I don't really know what I'm doing right now. And it's a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, it's really, really tiring when you're like, you've just started decluttering and there's like mess everywhere and you're like, I'm not gonna do this anymore, and you just kind of like fall asleep on the bed with a bunch of clothes. Yeah, I'm pretty sure everyone does that. I hope. So yeah, it's gonna take time and it's gonna take quite a bit of effort, but like, it's a different kind of effort to me revising for this maths test. It's different to that. It's more like challenging your brain. You're not really learning anything. I mean, you kind of are learning something. Like, you're learning how to let go of your possessions, and like, you have to sort of like analyze your emotions, which is a bit difficult really, and it's difficult getting rid of sentimental stuff. So definitely leave the sentimental stuff until last to declutter, because you kind of know the process of how you're decluttering things when you're just getting rid of mundane items. Like, I don't know, what do you guys have? Clothes? And yeah. So that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. A little bit random and very distracted. However, I do think I made some pretty good points. Tell me what you think below, and if you have anything else to add, please share it, because I'm sure that will help everybody, including me. I'll see you soon. Goodbye. Oh wait, sayonara.